Hello guys, it's me again and welcome back to our channel, Mama Nalyn and Sofia Lopez channel. Ayan, mag-overtime ako ngayon guys ng pagtahi ng palda ni Sofia kasi bukas nga may program sila sa school, yung culmination ng science and math program nila. So, need ni Sofia ng ito. Tatahiin ko muna ito kasi kanina, hindi ko natahi kanina. Busy si Nalyn. Ngayon mag-overtime tayo guys. Uniform kasi nila yung white na skirt. Kaya madali lang naman itong tahiin kasi nga garterize lang naman yung sayal ni Sofia. So, ikat natin ito, ibalon lang natin guys. Si Lola sana yung magtahi, kaso nga napagod na si Lola. Daming trabaho ni Lola kanina, tapos may lakad pa siya kanina. So, na natin, ikat natin to, madalian lang to guys. So, ito yung ni Sofia guys. Sobra kasi ito sa sa lining ng damit ni Lola. Kaya ayan. Pwede pa naman. So, isang beses lang naman ito isuot ni Sofia bukas sa sayawan nila sa program. So, pwede na to guys. Ayan. So, start na tayo guys. Ko pa ito. Ang tawag nito, ikat. So, ayan guys. Ayan. Ito na yung itsura ng naputol natin. So, start na tayong magtahi guys. Na natin to, idugtong. So, ayan na guys. Start na tayong magtahi. Hindi ko kasi ito natahi kanina guys. Kaya mag-overtime tayo. Kawawa naman pag pag hindi siya nakapag-costume bukas. Ay, kaya pala hindi ko masyado makita kasi nga hindi ako nagsalamin. Ay, ang ating salamin guys. Sobrang init. La ibitsura ni kaod ni garter la.
Hindi na tayo asa ng palibutan na.
Agudoy. Sofia, ali lang itaot sa ribe kay di ko kakita lang.
Itaod kay.
Itaot sa niyo. Ato ka pikas kay. Yan si Sophia yung paanohin natin, guys. Yan si Sophia yung patusok ko na to sa butas ng karayom. Very good, Sophia. Oy, ba talaga yung mata ng bata, guys? Madali lang pala na natusok. Thank you lang. Mag-adyo ko sa ta, guys, kay hindi na makita. Yan, palaban pag-adyo. Uy. So, sa susunod na naman, guys, United Nation na naman yung kanilang costume. So, ayan, hindi na yan maano. Tapos, malinis yung pagkatahi, guys. Ayan. Sa likod. Kasi madali kasi itong mabuhaghag na klase ng tela. Kaya, ayan. Kailangan natin i-doble yung tahi. Ning lukot lagi lang. Ang tahi sa sigsid.
Una na, aron di mo lukot, imo na magikas, ditso. Di mo na mo, lukot po di. Piluan mo una, sa kaidubli.
Padi, gipiloan na ako sa kuan, kilid. Ano ba sa kuan na, sa laylayan. Kay balon, mangod siya. Munang sa pagtabas, siguro nila ako.
Again, so mommy just tie me a skirt because
Tomorrow is
tomorrow is
my
my
dance presentation.
And I'm so excited. Thank you, Mother.
Yeah. Welcome. Oy. Okay? Cha 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 cha. Chara da da da. Chara da di di di. Isa tong awa na. Ay, sus dili kay mahagbungan ta ana lang. Dili bagya po. Pero kaya ako sa Alisa, wala pa. Sakto ra gyud ang garter la. Imo na din ang gisukod. Sakto ra, na? Isa lang. Sakto ra gyud.
Isa ko bilay nang mahuslot na ako.
Dili atong ako ana. Ana. Putla na ko pisa.
Nice here, but not here.
So nice here, but not.
You don't like the process? Boxing?
I like.
But why do you not listen to me? Like, even shredder, you always gonna say it.
I like, my God.
Huh?
I like combing my hair.
But why do you always say you're a secret like children's? You do
What
not
do you
comb
mean?
your hair when you're still a baby.
Yes, because before I don't know how to comb my hair.
Then help with grandma.
Yeah, grandma is always busy that time. Oh, gee, sakit, Sophia.
I told you. Wait. I'm gonna do a hairstyle.
Ayun na kay later na kay mag-ons ako, magpaspas ako gama sa imuhang sayal.
Why?
Kay aron mag-on ta mag-study ta.
No, study.
And you do my hairstyle. Okay lang.
Your hair is a little bit tangled.
Yes,
So
because
that's why
I didn't
you didn't bathe for 3 months.
know because I'm not kuan
What? For what?
putting shampoo on it. That's why my hair is a bit tangled.
Why didn't I put shampoo? You're gonna tell me like this. Priya, can you have some shampoo, please? You said like that to me.
So do you have shampoo?
Yeah,
We don't have shampoo. That's why I didn't put shampoo on my
we
hair.
have shampoo.
We're not having our shopping grocery.
We have a shampoo.
Oh. Ay, hinaya lang.
There. You're always gonna bathe for 9 years.
9 years?
Yes, of course, you didn't bathe for 9 years and 10 years before.
9 years is kuan too long.
Yeah, 9 years. 9 years is not to be that's so long when you didn't bathe for 9 years.
9 years is so
And
long.
bathing is 9 years.
9 years if I'm gonna take a bath.
Yeah, you're gonna take a bath for 10 hours and you're gonna go in school and no bath.
Oh, excuse me. I go to work with take a bath.
No, you didn't have taking a bath when you're going out to school.
You should take a bath.
I take a bath, but you don't. You don't take a bath.
Because sometimes when Papa will get hilot on you. Ay, ay, ay.
What happened?
It's stuck.
I told you. Just be careful.
So, magtaod na taokuan guys. Garter.
And you're gonna put it in tomorrow morning. In your back, or gonna be in your back. Here. We're gonna shout out to you all, my subscribers. Shout out po.
Shout out si
Maraming
Sophia.
salamat.
Lisod ning may Amerikanang hilaw yung mag ano sa braid.
What did you say?
Amerikanang hilaw.
Who am I gonna know?
You. Because you're all speaking English. Mama get no split always.
And you're always gonna be not. I'm gonna be no split when you're. I'm gonna be no split when you're gonna speak Tagalog.
Because
You're the
gusto ko
same.
yung Tagalog. I like Tagalog.
But I don't like Tagalog. It's so boring. I
It's so
want
boring.
English and Bisaya.
And I don't like English lagi.
Why?
That's why, because I told you, it will take nosebleed on my nose.
And I'm gonna be no split on my nose too, or my ears.
Nosebleed on your ears? Why?
You
Oh,
always
gee.
gonna not. You always gonna make it so big, and then you didn't say me. Hey, you didn't get the towel right here.
What are you doing with my hair, Sophia?
Because you didn't comb your hair last week.
Uy, what? Excuse me, I'm combing my hair.
No, you didn't.
I comb it.
No, you didn't comb it for last week ago, and 22/8, you didn't comb it.
So 22/8. I don't get it. I always
Or-
comb my hair. I always fix my
or-
hair.
And
Put
Friday, you didn't comb your hair every Sunday. Sunday morning.
every Sunday. Be
because-
careful if you're gonna comb it when it's wet.
When you're gonna dry it very well. You're gonna squeeze it, or you're gonna
That's
buy
why
a hair dryer.
before we have a hair dryer.
But it's broken.
It damaged for a long time ago. We didn't use it.
Why?
Don't use our blower, hair dryer.
Yeah.
It will get damaged
Why?
because you're not using it.
Why did you not use it when you're gonna use it for 10 months and your hair is
Wala,
gonna be dry?
nagloko-loko man nilang. Nagyod.
But you don't,
Okay.
but you don't like it.
Sample, be. Ayan guys, tapos na ang aking obra. Wow! Saktong-sakto kay Sophia. Oy, Sophia! Isa ka gamay lang. Isa ka gamay. Dili nga na sa imuhang hips. Oh, hips, imuhang waist. Taro nga. Sige ko na, be. Sample ko nagsayaw, be.
Dito ka manulog.
Unsa man to imong sample nga sayaw? Oh, yan na. Ala, oh na. 1. Pila ka count ay na.
1, 2, 3.
You're not saying thank you to me, Sophia.
Thank you.
Mag-short lang ka na lang, guys. Natapos ko na rin tahiin yung costume ni Sophia. Uy! Sophia!
Thank you, Mama, for kainin.
Okay, no problem. You're welcome. Ayan guys, hanggang dito na lang. Magsayalin mo lang.
Nado.
So, ayan guys, hanggang dito na lang yung ating video sa ngayon. Thank you so much guys for watching. Bye-bye. So, ayan, happy na si Sophia makapag-participate na siya sa kanyang dance presentation bukas ng culmination ng Science and Math month. So, hanggang dito na lang guys. Bye guys!
Bye-bye. Ingat sa'yo sa aming sayaw bukas.
Oh,
Ingat
see you.
kayo.
See you bukas guys.